Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is June 13 and the chart of the day for today is USD Swiss 60 minutes time frame here. So we can see right now that we are extending to the downside in a bearish trend. The right side is down within with 3 in blue, which is the minuet degree, within with 3 in blue, and within with 3 in black, right? 3 of 3 technically speaking, and looks to be nesting to me with extension here. So look for any kind of rally to continue to fail and the pair to continue to extend to the downside. Okay, and short in the larger time frame, in the 4-hour, if we look at the 2 and 1 here, that's your 2 and 1. So this will be your higher degree count, which is the minor, right? So you are nesting 1 2 1 2 1 2 and then 3 of 3 now. And if you just look at it from this cycle and simply measuring extension, then you can see it has hit the 100%, which is technically in the minimum, right? But I think if this is really 1 2 1 2, and again this one looks extended, looks like 1 2 3, I don't think it's going to end here in reverse, right? So I think it's going to continue to go down. As you know, with 3 can extend even all the way to 1.618 sometimes, right? And we're getting close to break below the previous low as well, which will further support the idea of the bearish view as it take out the previous low here. But so far we got 1 2, and then looks like another 1 2 with a nest here. So expect more downside to complete the entire 5 waves starting from this peak here. So we are within with 3 in black and 3 in red, and in the meantime any short-term rally should be expected to continue to fail and continue to go down in the sequence of 3 7 11. All right, so that's the idea here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have a 14 days trial. You can check out our website, which I will provide the direct link in the description of the video. And this one is the 14 days trial, only 99 cents for new members. And then if you want to check our plans and pricing after the trial, you can click this plans and pricing and review the different plans we have. And then if you want to get if you want to learn about Elliott Wave, then you can go to the education section here, where we got a lot of different classes and courses for you. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice weekend, everyone.